Before you drop cash on a shed gym setup, there's one thing nobody tells you. Most sheds aren't built to handle real workouts. Floors crack under heavy weights, lighting's terrible, and security, forget it. But after testing setups that actually survive daily training, I found 5 game changers that fix these hidden problems. Product number 1, X1 Ropeless Battle Rope. If you're turning your shed into a high-intensity zone but don't have space or flooring that can handle slamming ropes, the X1 Ropeless Battle Rope from Calories Planet is a smart workaround. At just $64.26 and under 1.5 pounds, it looks almost too simple, but don't sleep on it. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If your shed has low ceilings, thin flooring, or you're training early morning without disturbing neighbors, this cordless design lets you go full intensity safely. The ABS and stainless steel build feels solid, and the compact size means you can stash it in a corner when not in use, perfect for tight shed gyms. Now, some people complained about the lack of tactile feedback compared to real ropes. Here's the thing though, if you're focused on calorie burn and shoulder endurance, the motion still engages your core and arms effectively. It won't replace a heavy rope for advanced athletes, but for most home users, it's a worthy trade-off. This is perfect for you if you want a low-impact, space-saving cardio tool that won't wreck your shed floor. Skip this one if you're training for rope-specific sports or need maximum resistance. For under $70, it's solid value for functional fitness in tight spaces. Product number 2, Power Labs Bike Mat. Alright, that was a solid portable tool. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for protecting your shed investment, the Power Labs Bike Mat. At $46.26, this mat is deceptively simple, but it solves a huge hidden problem: vibration damage. Sheds often have concrete or uneven floors, and dropping weights or running a treadmill can crack flooring or shift equipment over time. This mat absorbs shock, reduces noise, and keeps your gear stable. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're placing a Peloton, treadmill, or even a heavy bench in your shed, vibrations travel through the floor and weaken structural joints. This mat acts like a buffer, protecting both your equipment and your shed's foundation. It's also waterproof and easy to clean, critical when you're sweating buckets in an unventilated space. Now, some people complained about the mat sliding on smooth concrete. Here's the thing though, adding double-sided tape or rubber corner grips fixes that instantly. It's not a flaw in the product, just a setup tip they don't mention. This is perfect for you if you're installing cardio machines or heavy racks in a shed and want to avoid long-term floor damage. Skip this one if you're only doing light bodyweight workouts. For under $50, it's cheap insurance for your gym setup. Product number 3, Adiding LED Garage Light. Now, if the Power Labs mat protects your floor, this next one fixes another shed gym killer: terrible lighting. The Adiding LED Garage Light 2-pack at $46.26 delivers 12,000 lumens. That's brighter than most warehouse fixtures. Sheds are dark, windowless boxes, and trying to deadlift in dim light is a recipe for injury. These lights screw into any E26, E27 socket, no wiring needed, and the 6 adjustable panels let you direct light exactly where you need it, over your rack, mirror, or cardio zone. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Proper lighting isn't just about seeing, it's about form. You can't check your squat depth or bar path in shadows. The 6500K daylight white mimics natural sun, reducing eye strain during long sessions. Plus, the aluminum body dissipates heat so they won't overheat in a closed shed. Now, some people complained about the plastic feel of the housing. Here's the thing though, for the price and performance, it's a fair trade. These aren't industrial fixtures, but they're rugged enough for home use and last up to 50,000 hours. This is perfect for you if your shed has weak or no overhead lighting. Skip this one if you already have bright, adjustable shop lights. For under $50, it's one of the highest impact upgrades you can make. Product number 4, Essie Smart Fingerprint Lock. Alright, that was a solid lighting fix. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for peace of mind, the Essie Smart Fingerprint Lock. At $57.83, this isn't just a padlock, it's a security system for your shed gym. Let's be real, sheds are easy targets. Tools, weights, and electronics add up fast. No keys to lose, no codes to forget. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're storing expensive gear like adjustable dumbbells, a rower, or supplements, this lock deters casual theft and lets you track who accessed your shed. The zinc alloy body and hardened steel shackle resist cutting, and it's waterproof, perfect for humid shed environments. Now, some people complained about Bluetooth connectivity dropping occasionally. The app is a bonus, not a requirement. This is perfect for you if you live in an area with foot traffic or want to share access with family safely. Skip this one if you never leave valuables in your shed. For under $60, it's a small price for serious security. Product number 5, AMstaff Ceiling Pull-Up Bar. Now, if the lock secures your space, this next one maximizes it, the AMstaff Fitness Joist Mount Pull-Up Bar. At $51.40, this heavy-duty bar mounts directly to ceiling joists, turning unused overhead space into a pull-up station. Sheds often have high ceilings, so why waste it? Here's why this matters for you specifically. Pull-ups are one of the best upper body builders, but most shed gyms lack upper body tools. This bar installs in minutes with included hardware and doesn't take up floor space. The parallel grips also let you target different muscle angles. Now, some people complained about installation being tricky without a stud finder. Here's the thing though, if you're building a shed gym, you should already be checking joist placement. It's not a flaw, just a reminder to plan ahead. This is perfect for you if you want to add functional strength training without cluttering your floor. Skip this one if your shed has low ceilings or weak rafters. For under $55, it's a no-brainer for upper body development. So which one's right for you? The X1 rope for cardio in tight spaces, the Power Labs mat to protect your floor, the Adiding lights to see what you're doing, the SE Smart Lock to keep it secure, and the AMstaff bar to use every inch. None are flashy, but each solves a real shed gym problem most people ignore. Pick the one that matches your weakest link and trains smarter.